Based in Auckland, Tiger Security was founded in 2016. We install, service, and support security alarms, CCTV camera systems, intercoms, and access control systems. We also offer alarm monitoring services. We supply and support a range of alarm and access control brands, including ICT Protégé, Arrowhead, InnerRange, Bosch, Tcom, Honeywell, Ness, and Paradox. CCTV brands supported include Dahua, Hikvision, Uniview, Panasonic, and Vivotech. We install and support iPhone, Dahua, Biticino, Farfisa, Hikvision, and Panasonic intercoms. These brands are just a small selection of what we can do. We cover most of the Upper North Island from the far north to Waikato. If you live outside this area, we can still help with your inquiry by pointing you in the right direction for help. Over the years, we've built a solid reputation of success by delivering projects on time and budget. No job is too big or too small. Our projects include large government, commercial, and industrial buildings, as well as home alarms and bespoke customized security solutions. You'll find more information about us and our products and services on our website, tigersecurity.co.nz. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for news on security products.